Apologies, this video is a little bit later than normally expected. For those of you who are new to the channel, at the start of every month, normally on the first upload day of the new month, I go through how much we earned the last month. It's a bit later on in the month this time round, but I'm still going to show you guys every single penny that I made this month, where it came from, what I'd recommend you try, what I'd recommend you should try and avoid. But let's get straight into it. If you're new to the channel, this is something we do every month. I know some people don't like this video. It doesn't get the most views every time it's out, but it's just something I like to do to keep the transparency and the honesty amongst this channel, just to show you guys exactly where my money's coming from. And if any of the money comes from affiliate links from you guys, I like to then show you guys where that money's going and what I'm spending it on. So please hit that subscribe button if you're new. It makes the world of difference. And if you're already here and you're watching this video, please hit the like button, because it makes, honestly, it makes the biggest of differences. So please do that down below. But let's get into it. So as always, we'll start off by going through actually no, we used to go through the smallest amount up to the largest. This time let's just start at the top and work our way down. So for May last month, the most income I had was from my student loan. Those of you who don't know, every single thing we cover on this spreadsheet that I'll show you guys in just a second, every single thing we cover, there's a video on the channel for it already. So if you don't know where I'm getting this money from for student loan, there's a video that explains student loans in the UK. So nothing is left hidden, everything gets explained. So my student loan this month was £718.25. After that, we then had Appen work. Obviously, I showed you guys that I got a full-time job at Appen. That was bad. And to be honest, you'll notice the earnings drop off next month when I do this video, because even as I explained in that Appen video, I was doing Appen for the sake of showing you guys what it's like, and I didn't enjoy it for a second. So Appen comes in at second at £87.71. No trouble getting paid for it. But again, I was doing 7 hours worth of work some days and only getting paid for 2 of them, because of how the structure worked of their days. Wasn't fun, didn't enjoy it. But Appen, I still recommend highly, because there are multiple different jobs you can do on Appen. I'm still doing other work on Appen and getting around £30–40 a month from it, just for a couple hour a week work. So it's definitely worth checking out Appen if you haven't already. Again, want more information, check out the last video I did on it. After Appen, we have user testing, one of my favourite sites out there. Obviously, you guys know that. But it's just such a good site. You do a 20–30 minute test of an app or a website and you get $10 for it. So for this month on user testing, we got £41.40. The amount coming in from user testing has slowly gone down, but that is because I've had less time. I've been doing uni work recently, I've been working recently, been putting more effort into these videos, and in addition to that, the Euros are coming up. I'm either going to be too hungover to do videos for other companies, or I am going to be watching the football. So user testing will probably be down next month as well, but probably in like July, August time, we'll see user testing slowly start to climb back up again. For those of you who aren't already over on user testing, just do it. It's honestly so good. I cannot recommend it highly. After user testing, we then have Lionbridge. Now, Lionbridge is a platform I've been trying to get onto for some time, but Lionbridge is essentially an upgrade on Appen. Lionbridge is just full-time work. So I've got a job over on Lionbridge. I work an hour a day, 5 to 7 days a week. I get paid $13 an hour. I can't disclose what I do or which company within Lionbridge I work for, but I get $13 a day. So for last month I made £36.60. This month I've already earned more than that because of the point in the month where I got that job at Lionbridge last month. But it is a decent job. It's easy work. I definitely recommend checking out Lionbridge and seeing what applications they've got at the moment. See if there's any you want to apply for, because there's no harm in doing it. Below Lionbridge, we have this YouTube channel. Thankfully, you guys are the best, and you managed to get me over 1,000 subs and over 4,000 hours of watch time, and I've started to make money from YouTube now. And like I said, right from day one, first video on this channel, it's pinned on the homepage if you don't believe me. I will show you guys every penny we make. So from YouTube, for last month of May, from the 20th to the end of the month, which is when I started getting monetization for the videos, I made £31.81. We're going to have a full breakdown into how much I make on YouTube around about later on this month. I just wanted to make sure that it had been going for a whole month. So it will be going from the 20th of May to the 20th of June. I'm going to show you guys all the statistics, where the money comes from, show you guys what I plan to do with the money. That'll be coming later on this month. So don't worry about that. I'm not just glossing over this because I don't want to talk about getting money from YouTube. I'm going to do a proper video on it soon. Next up, Prolific. Doing surveys on Prolific. You may think surveys are boring. Try Prolific. Some of them are really enjoyable. Some of them are strange little weird ones. But the majority of them are actually quite fun and enjoyable. It's just university studies, basically. People doing research for university, asking you to do questions, activities, things like that. You don't have to speak to anyone. You can just do it on your computer. And they're always quite well paid as well. So from user testing, from Prolific last month, I brought in £26.45. I know quite a lot of these are lowered down in terms of how much I'm making, but I do prefer my income to be spread out a bit. Now the biggest shock is coming soon, but the next one up is match betting. Match betting, I didn't make as much last month. This month is going to be mental. You guys will have already saw the video last week where we spoke about Royal Ascot, where we spoke about the Euros. We're going to be making some big money from match betting this month. Just wait and see. So next month, or this month I should say, £15, no way. This is going to be £50, £60, £70. It's probably going to be one of my biggest earners this month, match betting. And then finally, the last bit of income was Betfair trading. You might expect Betfair trading to be up there with the most amount of where I get money from, but with the season coming to an end, I'm not yet comfortable with tennis trading to be able to do a full stake. I am doing practice trades, so I'm watching the tennis, watching the odds, and saying to myself, right, at this point I'd go in, I'd make a note of it. At this point I'd come out of the trade and making a note of it. It's the same as what I did with football trading right at the start. I'm not putting my own money in yet until I'm confident doing it. Then when I'm confident doing it, I'll show you guys exactly how I've been making the money. So don't worry, the trading will be going up again soon. I've got a lot of trading videos in the pipeworks, so don't worry, they will be coming soon, and that will go up this month. It's just, I'm not confident yet of doing other strategies. So that's the spreadsheet there. I'm sure you guys love the spreadsheet. I've sent it to a few of you guys. I think it's in the description of one of the previous videos if you want a spreadsheet of your own. You can see here for the month of May how much we made. You can also see, to be honest, for June how much we've made so far as well, just to show you guys how late this video actually is. But I have changed the spreadsheet up a little bit because I did include before, for those of you who are new and this is the first time you saw this, I included the investments down at the bottom in the actual table itself. But I prefer having that table at the top to genuinely just be income, money that I can then go on and spend. My investments, when they make money, I'm not spending that money, that's just getting invested again, as is the dividends, anything like that, just getting reinvested constantly. So I've split them up just so you guys can see. So you can see last month in terms of investments, they went pretty bad. Bitcoin, everyone knows the Bitcoin drop that happened. All the crypto did really badly, to be honest. Trading 212, I lost £30. That has slowly started to climb back up again now though, my investments. So that is looking better. And then we have also got 37p dividends and 51p from crypto interest. Now what I've done is I've moved my Ethereum and my Bitcoin over to a BlockFi account where they generate interest and then get reinvested back in again. Hopefully trying to generate some compound interest from that. That does also amount for the majority of the loss from Bitcoin and Ethereum because both had a fee attached to getting moved to another company. So I did lose about £30 worth of Bitcoin and about £10 worth of Ethereum just through that. It's a bit of a buzzkill. So if you are getting into this and into crypto and you want to just start off where there's some accounts that do interest rates, make sure you research which one you want to go for first. I'm with BlockFi, so to start up an account with them so you don't get paid or don't have to pay quite a lot for fees for moving things around. But that is it for this month. Not that long of a video, 10 minutes. We made £241, which has been about average so far for these months. We're going to try and push on, get a bit more. I want to be more like the £290 of that month. I want 400-500 by the end of the year if possible. So hopefully we'll be able to push up for that. One little bit of news here though. This Fiverr tab, I'm going to get rid of it. We've had Fiverr since January. We made a video on it at the start of the year and we've had one order. Fiverr is not good unless you are really specialist with your skills and possibly even advertise them on there as well. So Fiverr, we are getting rid of that row now. It's not going to make too much of a difference. It was a total of £3 from 1 month. I've disabled all the Fiverr products that I've been offering out on the website. They're all gone now because Fiverr's just not for me. In terms of the income coming in from YouTube, that's not getting spent by me. That isn't getting spent on me, I should say. The first thing we're going to try to do, microphone, better lighting so I don't look grey and dead, and then we'll also get a better microphone as well. I'm hopefully going to try and upgrade the kit piece by piece so that you guys get better quality videos. You guys are the ones who are getting me this money, so it's only fair I spend it back to improve the quality of things for you. If you've got any recommendations of things for me to try out, to try and get some more money for the next few months, let me know down below. I'll try out everything that gets suggested. You guys are the reason I'm doing this. The whole point in this channel was to try out the things that get forced down your throat on YouTube. People telling you this will make you millions when really it doesn't. I want to try out all of that, show you guys if it works, so you don't waste your time on ones that are shit. It's as simple as that. So hit the subscribe button if you're new, the like button as well please, it makes such a big difference, and let me know what you want to see coming on this channel. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.